What's up, lawn dogs? This is my 2020 lawn care setup. My dude over there, he's got the new blower. Remember, they had stolen a whole bunch of equipment from me, so I bought that. This is the old one. Got this guy. What the heck? You know what I mean? 60-inch cut. I still got my old mower, the one that's been getting through me, pulling through for me these past couple of seasons. What a great machine this one is. This one I'm liking so far. This one bails me out when this one breaks down. And so I got the new Echo 3020. I still got the 280, I believe that is. Oh, that's the 266 hedge trimmer. That is my favorite hedge trimmer of all time. There's nothing better than that. Screw that articulating bullcrap. I didn't want to buy an edger, but I said, you know what? I never know when I have to cut these big edges, thick edges. So I got one. I ordered the golden edge. That's going to go in there. I no longer use this anymore. I only use the golden edge. And then I have my old SRM 280. You know? Got that. Let's see. Got my auger. Got my auger over there. That thing's a beast. That saves me a lot of time and money. Let's go around. I'm doing my commercial properties today. Oh, ouch. Okay. I was hired to take all the debris from the gutters. We're taking out all the mulch that's in there. I trimmed the bushes. We're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 houses. I trimmed the bushes with the hedge trimmer. Well, excuse me, with the weed eater, because the other guy was using the hedge trimmer to do the crepe myrtles. We're about to throw this out. We'll do that tomorrow. We're gonna put a little bit of rock in each of these little beds. Oh, I still got my wheelbarrow. That's an awesome ladder, especially on that platform that you can stand on. Mix. This is my old CS310. It's good. I just got to get it fixed. But I bought this one, the new one, the CS310. And then for the heck of it, I'm doing a lot of tree work here. I bought a top handle, and this is the I don't know what this is. All I know is a top. Oh, CS2511T. So I bought those new. And then today I got in the mail my Barnell USA pole saw. Excuse the mess. I've been so busy, guys, doing landscapes, mowing. I haven't had time to just clean up, you know, because when you're busy, you don't have time. I'm gonna move these racks right here, put it over there, and scooch that one over there, so all my handhelds are on this side. And then I'm gonna put something to hang my ladders there, because I'm using racks to hang my ladders, or just buy another, leave those, or I can just get these racks, scooch them over to the left, buy another set over there, put them over there to the right, buy another set for here, and scooch that one over there. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But yeah, I've been super busy, guys. I mean, it's been ridiculous on how busy I've been. But yeah, I gotta go. I got to supervise. See you later.